Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to make character animation for our game. And then press R to restart. It will be a game like this. And then we have background and then character animation. Just like that. Okay, let's start. On the last video, we just did where the player gets sucked into the teleporter. So for now, I'm gonna give you this. I will give the link to the in the description. The black hole and then the background, also the character animation. Let's start. So first we're gonna make a simple one. Okay, a black hole animation. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change this sprite to our black hole on here. I will choose one. I think this is nice, so I'm gonna click the sprite and then drag this to the texture. Then this is too big, so I'm gonna make this small. While I'm dragging this, I'm gonna press shift, just like that. Okay, I think this is okay. And then I'm gonna open the script. Every seconds, every frame, I'm gonna rotate the sprite. So this is just normal sprite. This is no animation in here. As you can see, no animation. I'm gonna rotate this. Open the script, and then for every second I'm gonna rotate. This use radians, as you can see here, radians. So if this is too much, so I'm gonna 0.001. You can experiment this by yourself. Let's check if this is nice. I think a little faster. Okay, that's it. How we animate the black hole. We don't want this to be animated, so I'm gonna delete this from world 2. Press 2D, and then I'm gonna delete this. I think we don't need this. I think we need this for further. Just change the sprite to the black hole, and just like that. Scale this, and just like that. So for the black hole animation, I've done. Then character animation. So on the work, I'm gonna click the character and just change this type of sprite to animated sprite on here. This is for animation. So I'm gonna click this and then new sprite frame, and then click the sprite frame. This is not what we want. I think add new, and then delete this. Okay, for this I'm gonna use idle for idle animation. So what we got this on the PNG. This is the idle animation. I'm gonna click this and then press shift and then click this. So let's watch this animation by playing on, just like that. And then I think I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, it seems nice. So I'm gonna scale this. Oops, I'm gonna disable the lock first. And then scale this to the collider. Okay. And then I'm gonna make the collider to be smaller, so it fit the character. Let's test this. I press S5. So that's it. Simple animation for idle. For run, I'm gonna do is this sprite, make new for run, to the speed to 20, and then run animation. Click shift and then drag all this, so it fits the collision, so that's okay. And then for run, I'm gonna press skip, and then when this is moving to the right, I'm gonna $ sprite dot animation. I'm gonna set it to run. This is the name of animation we just did here. We just did before. Okay, when pacing right, I'm gonna set the animation to run. Same goes for left. And then if it stop, I'm gonna set the animation to idle. Let's test this. So it works well, but we want the player to heading to the left side. So when we are pacing right, change the animation to run, and then sprite. Sprite dot flip horizontal equal to false. And then when we going to the left, we want to flip the horizontal, so equal to 2. Let's test this. I think this is not oriented the origin. Okay, I don't know how to do this, but when we press flip hash on, it will go there. So what I'm gonna set is, when on the right, I'm gonna offset X to 150, and then when we are facing left, I'm gonna set the offset to negative 150, just like that. So on the player script, when you're facing the right, I'm gonna set offset to sprite dot offset equal to offset dot x equal to 150, and for the left, I'm gonna set to negative 150. Let's test this. So it was well. don't worry because the collision is always there. So what we can see is when we are on the world 2, the player is just there. I'm gonna delete this and then right click the player, save branch as scene. So we have scene for the player. So on the world 2, I'm gonna click here to connect the world with the scene, the player scene, and then we have the player scene here. Where the player? Oh, here. And I'm gonna scale this to 1. Let's test this scene, this spacing here. So it works well. Just like that. So the third thing is background. For the background, we need a child for world. That's it. Parallax background, and then parallax layer on the child of this parallax background. So, and then on the parallax layer, I'm gonna create a sprite for the background and then drag this background to here. Then we have here. I'm gonna set the offset centered to off. So on the parallax layer, I'm gonna keep it, just leave it there. First, I'm gonna show you how it will be if we didn't set the motion to the scale of 0.1 or 0.2 like that. Then you can see it seems like it is just a photo where we can move it around. If we set it to 0.1, 0.1, and then press F5, we can see it is moving slowly. So I'm gonna scale this up so much. Press F5. Just a little bit on the left side. And then it's working just like that. You can do the same on the world too, on this second scene. So just like that. Thanks for watching.